Provided you are using a CoBatCo manufactured batter mix or an approved private label mix on an exclusive basis, your baking unit will be replaced anytime it becomes inoperable. To have your inoperable baker replaced, simply call 1-800-426-2282. You will need the model and serial number of the unit, which both can be found on the back of the unit, the problem with the baker, who you are purchasing the waffle mix from, your name, your store location, and your phone number. When the replacement baker arrives, remove it from the two-way box and put the inoperable unit back into the same box with the protective padding that is provided. Reverse the flaps on top of the box so that the flap with the CoBatCo return label is visible on the outside of the box. Your inoperable baker will be picked up within 7 days. No phone calls are necessary. Typically, the baking grids will become soiled and need to be replaced long before anything goes wrong with your CoBatCo waffle baker. This service is also provided at no cost for exclusive use of the batter mix mentioned previously. The same steps are followed as with an inoperable baker. Call our 800 number, provide the required information, and a replacement grid set will be sent to you.